Hello everyone, welcome to Reehatkitchen. Hope you all are good. If you not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for the notification on my coming videos. Today's recipe is Fruit Delight. It is simple and so easy, you can make to your preference. Add whatever fruits you like. Take some dry fruits, half a teaspoon of chaat masala and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Put all the fruits in a bowl, add dry fruits, chaat masala and black pepper. Mix it. Now take 250 ml of whipping cream and 125 ml of condensed milk. Beat it to make thick. Take a serving bowl, layer it. Fruit Delight is ready. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.